Here's another essential task. Get some help on how to inspect the HVAC system. Many home inspectors need to learn how to better inspect the heart and lungs of a house, which is the HVAC system. So watch just the videos. You don't have to take the entire course, the HVAC course, but just watch the videos to learn how to inspect the HVAC system. So this is the Advanced HVAC Training for Home Inspectors course. And inside the course are these videos. Take a look. There's all these videos. There are 18 videos. And part 5, I just picked this one.
Gas burners are on. So look for an improperly adjusted pilot light. If you hear that igniter ticking away or clicking or rapping away while the burners are still on, that's not a proper condition. Valve that we have continuous ignition, we've got good flame, and then it's okay to keep injecting raw gas into that heat exchanger. We need to be aware in our altitude here in Denver that these pressure switches may not be sensitive enough. Again, we talked about our Denver condition here where we have very light air, 18% less dense. What do you see in there? You see another one of these little guys with a couple of contacts on it. So this is going to detect spillage is that, or the ignition circuit, not necessarily the igniter. The one thing that we don't have in an oil burner, though, is a universal. Oil heat exchanger.
It's really good videos. I mean, you don't have to.
The relative.
You have to take the entire course, but I would go through the videos themselves. They're excellent videos, if I may say so. For example, we've followed an expert HVAC trainer in a local community college. In a local community college, and we tore open a ton of systems. We tore open an HVAC system and took out all the components and laid it out on a table and picked each component up and talked about it. So you knew each one, what each one does, and then put them together and then turn the unit on just like that. So you know how, for example, the sequence of operation works. So watch these videos. This is an excellent use of your time. Instead of playing a video game, play this kind of video and learn how to inspect HVAC systems because they are the heart and lungs of a house.